This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for December 14th, 2022. It's currently November 4th, 2022, 6:40 p.m. Eastern Time. So the overall theme and main highlight here for the S&P 500 is there's a brief peak that will be easily missed. That's the main highlight. We fall from that peak through multiple support levels. So it looks like we have a pretty notable move higher in the pre-market. We pushed the upper end of a range higher. I'm advised to right at the open. We're at a critical price level right at the open, and we're like price action will like basically flatten out. That's my signal to open up protection here. It looks like the brief peak is right there at the open. And then we have a period of sideways rotation and a sharp drop in that period of sideways rotation in the first half hour that will really stand out. That sharp drop will bring us back to a support level that was recently a past opportunity, and then we have some rallying between roughly 10 and 11 where we increase in momentum moving forward into that hour. From roughly 11 to 12 we do sideways rotation along a key support level. We rise to meet the nearest resistance, and then we fall back down and continue rotating sideways. There's a failed attempt to break through key resistance between roughly 12 and 1, it looks like, midday. A failed attempt to break through a key resistance level that technicals will lead us to believe we're going to break out through. So probably what happens is we hit this resistance level here, we fall, and then we rally back to near it, and it looks like we're going to break through, but we don't. That's usually what the disappointment card is. So it'll look like we've established support here probably. Failed attempt, and then when we break down through key support instead there. We attempt to reestablish support roughly between, let's say, 1 and 2, and then a period of volatility between roughly 2 and 3 offers an opportunity to position oneself in both directions utilizing option strategies. In the last hour, there's a notable move to the upside, the beginning of a rally, and then we have right around the close a drop from a support level to a second support level. We rotate sideways along that support level. U-shaped dip in the post-market, and it looks like a lot of price change is covered around the close. Looks like to the downside. So we have like a move higher, and then at the close we drop. Opportunity around the lows, though, is an opportunity to open up long positions here. So keep that in mind. Seems to me like there's quite a lot of price swinging going on the week of the 12th through at least through the 14th is what I've looked at thus far. A lot of price swinging going on, and that would really make sense considering that we have Mercury storm that commenced on the 12th. If you don't know what Mercury storm is, it's the pre-shadow phase of retrograde before Mercury retrograde actually goes retrograde. It starts to influence everything prior to that point, and that's what you call the storm. There's generally a lot of volatility in the market, and it increases as we move forward into towards the point at which we turn retrograde. So a lot of that going on here, guys. Sneak preview for the following week. Oh, and then we also have a nullified rally, end of a rally card here in the high position. So yeah, I mean, it doesn't hold. The rally ends short, the rally ends early in the day, and then we turn around. So whatever ground we gain early on to meet that that high, it's insignificant. It's not relevant. Sneak preview for the following day of the 15th. We have sideways fluctuations with a bearish trend preceding a rally. The Empress card is usually a good opportunity to open up a long position. Something that you want to watch grow for a bit. And that's the S&P 500 for the 14th of December 2022. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Most importantly, make sure you follow that rule of karma. Oh, one more thing, guys. It looks like we have a very significant trade opportunity on the 15th. And there's that unicursal again. A lot of volatility, guys. probably some really big drops. With that said, I'll see you on the next one.